What is SWP? Systematic Withdrawal Plan. This feature belongs to mutual funds. In SIP, we are investing systematically every month. But in SWP, we are putting some lump sum amount into the system to get some regular income every month. We set into the system at what date of every month amount to be credited into your bank account. Once it is done, that much amount will be credited into your bank account every month as a rental income or regular income. But what happens behind the scene? Here, whatever lump sum amount you are putting, that will get invested into the funds which are balancing of equity and debt. So, if there is major downfall in the market, that will get protected because there is higher portion in the debt where we are investing. But if there is rise in the market, again we'll get benefit because there is a portion where we are invested into the equity market. Once that is done, again that portfolio will get balanced back into the decided portion of equity and debt. Thumb rule says you should withdraw 5 to 6% of whatever amount, lump sum amount you are putting into the system, or your lump sum investment should be 200 times of the amount you want on monthly basis. For example, if you want 50,000 amount to be credited every month into your bank account, then as a lump sum you should invest 50,000 into 200, that is minimum 1 crore rupees. Since that portfolio is balancing of debt and equity and it is getting protected and also it is getting the returns. So, if you are withdrawing with 5% and your portfolio is conservatively growing by 10% every year, then at the end of the year, you will see your portfolio is grown by 5%. So, you will not be short of funds throughout the period.